Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Power off the AirPods Max and disconnect any Bluetooth devices before you begin. Work on a soft, clean surface with a small tray for screws and parts. Gather a plastic spudger, a Phillips or Torx driver, and a lint-free cloth. Remove both magnetic ear cushions by pulling gently on the small tab away from the ear cup. Keep cushions and magnets together in your tray. Lay the headphones with the ear cups facing up for the next steps. Remove both ear cushions by pulling the small tab away from the cup. Use a plastic spudger to pry the trim gently and reveal the hidden screws. Unscrew the 2 frame screws on each ear cup using the correct driver. Support the stainless steel frame while separating the canopy to avoid bending the arms. Slide the knit canopy up and off the metal frame with steady pressure. Set the canopy aside on your lint-free cloth to prevent scratches. Slide the canopy back onto the frame until it seats evenly on both sides. Reinstall the frame screws finger-tight first, then torque them lightly to avoid stripping threads. Reattach the magnetic ear cushions by aligning the magnets and pressing until they click in place. Power on the AirPods Max and test buttons and Bluetooth connection before regular use. Inspect alignment and comfort and tighten screws slightly if movement remains.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.